Hello and welcome back to Ultima 7, the Black Gate and Forge of Virtue. So we are all done here in Minuk, although we will be back later on, but let's head back to Britain. I can't remember if we've used this or not, but the help spell, or help cantrip, I guess, takes us right back to Learn British. Boom. Here we are. And I think what we'll do is we'll 6 o'clock dark. We'll head west. Well, we'll head west into the Forest of Yew. But before we do that, we'll stock ourselves up with supplies and cash in our gold and all that other stuff. Of course, we're back just as everything's shutting down. So let's sleep. Oh, Spark has it. Whoops, where is Spark? Hidden behind his gun. Let's sleep and get to the next day. Everyone's probably hungry. Good. I'd be worried if you weren't. Whoops. Belch. Burp. Very tasty. Very tasty. Burp. Belch. Spark. Ah, very tasty. Is that everybody? I lost count. But it's still nighttime, 3:04. So we're actually gonna sleep for another 6 hours. Sorry, everybody. Oh, someone's still hungry. Or was that just leftover text? No, just leftover text. Let's go with 6. Great. Excellent content. Now, let's get our gold. Exchange. We sure do. 280. Thanks. I think we already spoke to her about James. That never goes away, if I remember correctly. Okay, 1. Done. Not sure if we have any gems. Probably do. We'll check. Job. Jeweler. Alright. That's more than I thought. And lastly, the Silver Serpent Venom. Where are we? Oh, it's over here. Oh, he's not here. Where did he go? Well, I don't want to come back. That's why we slept for 14 hours. Supposed to be here. Maybe he's at the Blue Boar. There he is. Very glad that thou hast come to see me again, says Kessler. Venom. Kessler examines the vials carefully. He looks up at you and nods. This is indeed Silver Snake venom. I shall pay thee 50 gold coins per vial, alright? Yes. Kessler opens the coin purse and pays you 650 gold coins. Let's go. Alright. So, what's our gold at? Whoops, that was not what I meant to do. 1834. That's good. Looks like we need some more bolts. I've only got 14 left. And then we'll stock up on reagents and reloads, and then get some more spells. Hello, Coop. Bolts, please. Yes, that's fine. 4 dozen. No, Julia. I want Iola to carry them. Julia. Can he not handle them? Is it too much? Yeah, too heavy. Alright, you can carry them for now. But let's enchant them. Hell yeah. Love the enchant spell. Let's ditch your torch. I bet Sentry has a shield you can use. Yeah, he does. Great. To the castle. Do. Ugh. I know I said I love the music, but the repetitiveness of this gets to me a little bit, especially because it's very overpowering. Oh, this is the one that's overpowering. Where are you, nice little? Ooh. We need your gloves. There's no time, Joffrey. Nice, still. There you are. Job. Magic. Reagents. Yes. Okay, now, if I remember correctly, I am low on... Oh, shoot. I know Black Pearl. Let's buy 10 for 100. Mandrake root, I know I'm low on. Let's buy 10 for another 100. And there's one more. I think it's ginseng. Yes. And let's buy 10 for 40. Yeah. Let's... Oh, no, nothing of this. Let's go for some spells. We didn't finish off with the 3rd level spells with him, I believe. I can't remember if we got Swarm. We already have Swarm, and we definitely already have Heal, so let's get Protect All. Yes. 3rd. Sleep, yep. We are, I think we're 4th level. I can't even remember now. Let's get these ones too. View. Unlock magic, the big one. Great. Let's stop there for now. And let's make sure we did that correctly. Oh, and I think Spark has some of my reagents for some reason. Whoops. Blood moss. I forget what that's called. What is it? Spider silk. And oh shoot, black pearl. That's black pearls. All right, now if I did that correctly, whoops. Yeah, I shouldn't have. Something is still limiting me at 10. 10 and 11. So whatever I have 10 or 11 of is limiting the amount that I can cast things, and I've still got a fair bit of gold. Okay, so let's find out what I've got 10 or 11 of, see what I messed up. Nightshade, garlic, sulfurous ash. Alright, that's okay. 10 I guess is fine. We'll save some gold for our travels. Alright, and we, I think... are ready to go. So let's just take a look at the map. We of course are here in Britain. There's the castle, and we've been all up in the northeast corner of Britannia, or at least of the main island, I guess, here. And now we're going to head west outside of Britannia into the Forest of Yew, which is this massive forest to the northwest of Britain. Let's head there. Excuse me. Everybody has a weapon now. So far, so good. These fun guys are reapers, and they are like, they look like normal trees, and then when you get close, they attack. They're super annoying because when you go in combat mode, your party will run off and try to attack them. And they otherwise they're like, just avoid them, and they don't do anything. So they can be super annoying in combat, which I'm surprised we've not run into. We're just rocking the cart path. Oh, someone's here now. Wolves! To arms! Oh! That's not a good sign. And there they go after a reaper. Oh, hopefully a reaper, not a wisp. Whew. Wow, the wolves really got me. That's not a good sign. We gotta do some training. But I haven't found the trainers that I like yet. Woof, what happened? Asleep and 0 HP. Woof. Alright. Let's heal up. 10. That's better. How's everyone else doing? Iolo's fine. Spark's fine. Shimino's fine. Jana's fine. Sentry's fine. Julia's fine. Just me, eh? Wow. I don't even really like 10 that much. Let's... do it. Burn it, Jana. I don't know what's out there in the woods. We gotta be careful. In the forest. The forest of you. Watch for bridge trolls. Oh, there they are. Yeah. Take that. Oh, Iolo's using starbursts? Iolo. Oh. Thought he dropped his triple crossbow. Sometimes if characters flee, they will, at least I think that's the only reason, they will drop their weapons, which is a huge pain in the ass. But luckily he just put it away because he ran out of bolts. Magic bolts, excuse me. I think everybody has those things. Even Julia. Right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so far not so bad. Hello, Fox. Oh, a house. Hello. You see a man leaning on a longbow. Name: I am Bradman. Job: why, 'tis my job to train the many who visit you to become more agile. You? I love the forest. It is very beautiful. Also, he raises his bow, I moved out here to be near the two great archers, Iolo and Saramed. Iolo blushes. I am honored, my friend, but I was not aware I had an admirer in this part of the land. He bows to Bradman, who returns the gesture. Saramed, excuse me. He's a great archer who resides in the forest. He moved here to get away from the far too quickly growing towns. Many? The forest attracts a lot of people who want to spend some time away from the larger towns like Minok and Britain. So they come to you. And something about the woods makes most people want to explore. He pats his bow. That is where this comes in. The bow is the tool of survival in the forest. And I, he jerks his thumb to his chest, teach proficiency with the bow. The bow? 'Tis my weapon of choice. It takes a keen eye and a steady arm to shoot accurately. I think it is more finesse than a sword or a spear, for example. Explore? There are many exciting things to see in the forest. Not a day goes by when I do not see something interesting. A new type of bird, a beautiful butterfly, or, best of all, a deer. We don't want to train. Whoops. No, he said goodbye. Right now. Perhaps later. I think he does give Iolo a discount. Ooh. Look at all your arrows. Whoops. Oh, sentry's almost full. I can carry him. Yoink. Oh, those are bolts. May as well take your fish, too. You won't need it. You probably don't even like fish. Thanks, Bradman. Cool chatting with you. Is there a path back here? Ooh. Ooh, a deer. Sorry, dear. Too much delicious food. nearby. Oh, it's a Reaper. Get it. Ah, Iolo fled. That's probably not a good sign. No, he's fine. We're all doing fine. Oh, Julia's in rough shape. Let's heal Julia. Oh, something else is here. What the hell is that? Let's stop and ask it questions. Okay, well, we're pretty deep in the forest now. Okay, let's just go a little.
Do you really know where you're going, Avatar?
I think you read my mind. Oh, something else is here. Another one. That seems to open up to a pasture. Alright, let's go back to Bradman's house. Oh, Jesus. More deer. Ah, that's okay. That's enough. We won't be greedy. Something doesn't feel right about killing a deer from a game made in 1992, you know? What do we got here? Oh, hello. Oh, goodbye. The woman you see in front of you has a concerned expression on her face, as if her thoughts were far away. Name? My name is Penny, my lord. Job? I have no occupation, my lord. At least not one I would call work. I do, however, teach skills in close-quarter combat. She thinks for a moment. I suppose a better way to answer that question would have been to say, yes, I do have a job. I'm a trainer, but, she smiles, I enjoy it too much to call it work. Bradman? Yes, she nods her head, grinning. I know Bradman. We go hunting together. Of course, he rarely catches anything with that toothpick shooter of his. I resent that, my friend. Bows and crossbows can be wielded with deadly effect. She smiles, nodding to Iolo. Perhaps thou art correct, friend archer, but I prefer more physical challenges. Enjoy? I have loved close-quarter combat fighting since I was old enough to grasp my first spear. That's why I moved to you. Is a spear really close quarters? Isn't it by definition, like, sort of longer? Tell me about you. I moved here to hunt, of course. The forest is full of game. I would not think of living anywhere else. Spear? It is my choice in arms. The spear combines the best of both range and power. It is the perfect hunting weapon. Neither of those... That's not close quarters. Okay, well, we don't want to train with you. Good journeying, my lord. Let's see what you got, though. The Winning Number by A.P. Burke. Herein is the sequel to The 5 Stages of Lawn Care. This novel, which focuses on the same two men, is set 10 years after the former work. And is this The 5 Stages of Lawn Care by A.P. Burke? I can't remember if we read this. This is the brilliant and witty depiction of the humorous antics of two young boys during one very hot summer in Britannia. From courting to practicing swordplay, the duo never seem to be able to avoid trouble. Though the boys grow up, by the end of the story, they don't quite seem to lose all of their youthful instinct. What you got in your nightstand? Pan flute? Throwing axe. Oh, there's a wisp. Gotta be careful, when wisps are around, because if you go in combat mode, your party will treat them as enemies, and they will mess you up. I don't think you can kill them, even. Let's just give these to Jana. And we got a book. The Way of the Swallow by Foyles. Within the pages of this tome lies the story of a mother who loved and was deeply loved by her family. Though the work ends sadly with the death of the mother, her family gains comfort in the knowledge that her inner spirit has found a better place to rest. Lovely. Is that all you got? Okay, well, thanks for the swamp boots. Alright, so I think that's a pretty good place to end it for now, and we'll pick back up next time. See you then.